la-di-da, yeah, yeah. Drug dealing girl, fine. Hit her when I wanna, get me so high. Her BB ting, I roll her till she's so right. She know what she wanna, get me so light.
Yeah, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what are we doing today? Yeah, I'm going to go fix my phone. My phone has been acting crazy since, so that's why I can't create content for you guys. So I just said today I'm going to go. Today's the day. Today's the day. I'm tired. So my hair is always crazy. It's always messy before I do anything. But yeah, I've showered, I've done everything. It's just to go do my makeup. I don't want to be looking like a haggard goat when I'm going there. If you know what I'm saying. I don't normally use makeup, I don't normally wear makeup, but then today is special. Special as in, I don't know when next I'm going to go out or when next I'll get the opportunity to do my makeup. Oh my god, it's hot in here. So yeah, that's basically what's going to happen. And my battery is currently, I think, 13%. So I'm apologizing beforehand if I don't get to film there, because my phone dies like water. So I don't know, but I'll just find a way, something to just show you guys clips or something. I don't know, but I will surely be showing you guys my after makeup. This is before, this is after. Before. So guys, this is. It doesn't fit your complexion. Is it what? The powder. Please, I'm leaving it like that, I beg. So yeah, this is the finished look. You know, I don't know if you guys used to experience this when like you have this picture on your head of this kind of makeup that you want, and then when it now comes out, like guy, you don't even know what's happening. And my camera is so bad, I don't know if you guys can see it. But this is what I wanted. I wanted something simple, but I went all out in my hair though, because you know now my hair was already a mess. So I wanted to Praise, keep quiet now. Praise. So I went all out on the hair because my hair was already a mess. So I just wanted to overcompensate for that. Then the makeup guy, I don't even know if mommy will even allow me to leave this place like this. So that's it. Yeah, and this is, I think, fiber human hair. I don't know. So this is the makeup. My sister says it's not my complexion. I don't know. Like really. So this is how it looks. Like this is how my makeup looks, and I don't know. I just wanted to check, use the back camera to see how it looks like. Should I go out in there? Should I clean this? Should I tone down the color? I don't even know. But I'll take a picture to check it. So now that I've seen the makeup, I'm seeing like patches. Please, you're right though. I'm seeing patches now, like serious patches in my face. Like, finish is a process, it's a learning process. It's not going to be perfect today. Some days you'll be bad, some days you'll be good, some days you not get what you want, some days you do. But yeah, this is it. And I think the video I'll film before my phone dies, because it's about to die and I want to start going out. Hopefully I can get there before my phone dies and be able to, even if I get there, they will take my phone and open it, so I can't use my phone to film, obviously. So yeah, that's it. So see you guys when I see you guys next time. Bye. That's because I didn't use primer before my makeup. So my skin is patchy. Wait, let me go to where there's light, please. Where is Poppy? Eh? Why is he wasting time now? So guys, yeah, that's the end of this vlog. I'm going to make sure to add some vlogs, maybe a week in my life, something like that. But yes, I think this will be turning into a week in my life, yes. Because this is Monday, so this is the start of a new week. So yeah, at least I'm grateful to God for helping me to be able to do this, to fix my phone, and I thank God that He made it work. Yeah, it's a journey, and I made it.